And shifting focus to the other big story that we are tracking today, the key suspect in the murder of rationalist Narendra Dabholkar, Sachin Prakashrao Andure, has now been sent to 7-day police custody. The CBI arrested him earlier on Sunday based on a tip-off from the investigating team of Gauri Lankesh murder case.
That's right, and based on this very tip-off, the Maharashtra ATS then arrested 3 people and also seized a cache of arms and ammunition. Now, during the ATS interrogation, one of the arrested confessed to direct involvement in the Dabholkar murder case. He named Sachin Andure as one of Dabholkar's shooters. Now, based on this statement, Andure was arrested and then produced in Pune's CBI court yesterday. Afrida, what's also worth noting is that today actually marks the 5th death anniversary of the rationalist of Narendra Dabholkar. Let me also bring in my colleague Santya now, who's joining us on the phone line with more. Santya, we understand that some of these organizations have in fact planned a protest today. They will be taking out processions marking the 5th death anniversary of one of these free thinkers, but also kind of pointing to and raising the issue about the glaring crime and the glaring murders that are being committed towards free thinkers in a democracy like ours.
Absolutely, this will be one of the focus point of all these protests which will be conducted today in Pune specifically, because when yesterday after Sachin Andure was sent to a police custody till 26th of August, Mirror now spoke to Hamid Dabholkar and Mukta Dabholkar, the children of late Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, and they said that as far as the investigation of CBI is concerned, because now the suspected shooter, the alleged shooter is arrested, it is a significant arrest, but had the arrest been made earlier, lives of people like Govind Pansare, Gauri Lankesh and Kalburgi would have been saved, because now there are sufficient proofs of with the investigating agencies have sufficient proofs to at least establish a link, a connection between all the 4 murders. And all the recent arrests which are also taking place are somehow connected to each other, because as you said also, when the arrests were made in Gauri Lankesh case, at that time Karnataka SIT gave a tip-off to Maharashtra ATS. Based on that, Maharashtra ATS made some arrests. 3 people were arrested initially with a cache of arms and ammunition, and then one of the accused confessed about his role and Sachin Andure's role in Dabholkar murder case. Apart from this, the cache of arms and ammunition case, Maharashtra ATS yesterday arrested one more person. This person is the former Shiv Sena corporator from Jalna. Shrikant was arrested by Maharashtra ATS yesterday, and as of now he's arrested for arms and ammunition case, but the investigating agencies will also cross-check him, will also interrogate him on the lines of whether he was connected to any of these murders or not.
Right, that's an important point you raised, that the commonalities in 4 cases, Kalburgi, Pansare, Dabholkar and Gauri Lankesh, those have been identified, and perhaps from there on more leads are likely to come out. But we also spoke to the family members of Narendra Dabholkar. Let's listen into what they have to say after the latest arrests.
Development, but definitely it's too late. If they would have done similar kind of a progress earlier, then I think Kalburgi, Pansare sir and Gauri Lankesh ma'am's life could have been saved. We were repeatedly telling investigating agencies that this is a conspiracy to especially shun down the voices which are of different ideology. But anyway, though it is late, I think it's an important step in right direction, and now it's a high time that they should go to the root of the conspiracy and try and identify the masterminds behind it and book them. They are way beyond the deadlines now. 5 years is not a small task. The way Karnataka SIT has operated, I think they should take a leaf out of it and try and take this to closure as early as possible.
This is a good step that we believe, but as we all know, the things didn't stop with Dr. Dabholkar's murder. After that, Comrade Pansare was murdered, then Professor Kalburgi and then Gauri Lankesh. And the investigating agencies themselves have said that there is a link amongst all these murders. So what is important now is that the whole plot of shutting voices of the people by murdering them needs to be brought out, needs to be revealed, and the mastermind needs to be booked.
Talking about the case, the accused here is granted police custody, CBI remand till 26th of August, and right now we are being joined by the defense lawyer, Advocate Prakash. Sir, I would like to know from you one argument which you made, that how CBI, when they filed a charge sheet after the arrest of Dr. Viren Tavde, said that Vinay Pawar and Sarang Akolkar were also there. You know, their role was mentioned in the charge sheet. To which, to your argument, the CBI lawyer said that they were just, there was no mention in the charge sheet, because that's something they have told us. So what do you have to say? Do you think that CBI is now going back on its own theory?
Exactly. I have mentioned to the court that as per the earlier charge sheet, it is specifically mentioned that Sarang Akolkar and Vinay Pawar were the person who actually. Today it was contention of the CBI that accused Sachin was the person who actually fired towards Dr. Dabholkar. But as we are aware that earlier charge sheet was